Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel Amazing Car Cleaning. Today I will check and clean various cars from many trucks here. Now let's check and clean. I firstly put some water and then I bring one, clean it and show you. This one is emergency car. You see? Okay, let's go to the next one. This one is a dinosaur car. Number 7, racing car. Let's go to the next one. This is a very nice. It's similar to airplane. How can we call it? Airplane car. Vàអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាអញ្ចឹងអានេះគឺជាប្រភេទ racing car បាទប្រភេទ racing car ឥឡូវយើងមើលបាទនេះបន្តទៀតអានេះក៏ជាប្រភេទបាទ racing car ដែរគឺ number 13 បាទជាប្រភេទ Land Sport បាទ Land Sport គឺគេហៅថា sport car. Let's check the next one. បាទនេះជាប្រភេទគឺឡានគេហៅឡាន off road ឬក៏គេហៅថា pickup car បាទ off road ឬក៏ pickup car ប៉ុន្តែការលេងតែនោះគឺអត់សូវស្អាតទេ Number 11 បាទ racing car is also a racing car. We have many racing cars here and I will clean and show you one by one. Number 59. This one is clear. It's like candy. Cosmic couple. Cosmic coupe. Cosmic coupe. តែឥឡូវយើងមើលមកមើល airplane នឹងម្ដងអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាបាទនេះជាប្រភេទ airplane from Hot Wheels product នេះជាប្រភេទ airplane ណា mini and short airplane. Number 66 hot racing car with special colors. This one from die cast. Everybody, if you like this video, please let me know by comment, like, and especially subscribe to my channel. Now I should finish my video right now. So thank you for watching this video. I hope you like it. Thank you for watching my video. Finally, I have to clean the bigger truck. Okay, thank you for watching. See you next time.